Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really quick video, we're going to play around with some chocolate and pecans. We're going to make some really fun little pecan coins. I have some dark chocolate here. Just going to get a little bit down. You can either just leave them like that, but for today's video, I've got my little airbrush, and I'm just going to shoot a little bit of air on those. Just gives it a little bit of texture. And then we'll grab some pecans and just drop them in the middle. And I make these all the time for parties. And you put these out and they go so quickly. So now we'll just let those set up and we'll come back and finish the video. Hey everybody, this is a couple of hours later. All of our chocolate has nicely set up, so we'll just get underneath. You can see that's really nice. Just pop them off like that. Super easy with the silicone. So there we have it, our really cute pecan chocolate circles. So that's it for this really fast video. You can see how quickly you can make these for a party and they will go in no time. Everybody loves these. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.